Today we're taking a look at the Reloot AirLink V2s. These are IEM adapters powered by 2.4 gigahertz connection. It's as easy as to connect as turning this one on and then this one on. And now they're magically paired. Simple as that. Let's take a look at some of the accessories that it comes with. First, you'll have this dual USB-C charger to USB-A. This allows you to charge both the transmitter and the receiver at the same time. So if you're running low on port, this is a simple and easy solution to just have them both charging. Next thing it'll come with is this 3.5 millimeter audio adapter. This will go into the transmitter and then connect to any audio device like a computer, a phone, or audio mixer. Next, we have these included earbuds. These will go into the receiver and allow you to hear transmission from the transmitter. Also, if you have your own IEM in-ear monitors, you can plug it into the receiver and you can get high quality lag-free audio from the transmitter. You'll see here's an example of us plugging into a phone, and this will transmit audio really nicely. Also for the musicians, there's an included 6.35 adapter so you can plug the AirLink into your audio mixer or other device.